If you've been struggling with slow hair growth, excessive shedding, or your hair just refuses to grow past a certain length, then run to your kitchen right now because you need to prepare this treatment. The best part is that you don't need any fancy or expensive ingredient because this is made from simple herbs and spices that you probably already have sitting in your kitchen. So before I waste too much of your time, let me show you exactly how to make this powerful hair growth spray. And if you enjoy natural hair care recipe like this, please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe if you're new here, and let's get right into today's video. To begin, you will need 2 bags of black tea. I'm using Lipton black tea, but honestly any plain black tea that is available to you will work perfectly fine for this recipe. I know how frustrating it can be when you're doing everything you can for your hair, yet from January all the way to December your hair still seems stuck at the same length. Your hair grows very slowly, you notice your hair shedding excessively, and your strands can't stop breaking off at every given opportunity. Please do not sleep on this particular treatment because this herbal spray is designed to support a healthier scalp, reduce breakage and excessive shedding, strengthen your hair shaft, support healthier hair growth, and promote a healthier scalp. Because one of the most common possible reasons why your hair seems to grow very slowly is that your hair follicles may not be functioning at their best, and this combination is going to help refresh your scalp and support a healthier environment for your hair to grow. Every single ingredient used in this treatment has its own unique benefits when it comes to supporting a healthier hair and promoting a faster hair growth. Black tea is one of my favorite ingredients because it does so much more for our hair than most people realize. It contains antioxidants which helps protect our scalp from damage caused by everyday stress, and it also contains caffeine. And research has shown that when you apply caffeine to your scalp, it helps support a healthier hair follicles. And like I said before, when your follicles are active and functioning very well, your hair gets a better chance to grow without any limitation. And the next ingredient I added to this recipe is cinnamon stick. Now cinnamon has this warming property that helps improve blood circulation in the scalp, and better circulation means your follicles receive more oxygen and nutrients that they need to function at their best. It also contains antimicrobial properties which helps reduce the growth of certain microbes that may contribute to scalp issues. Now once all my ingredients were together in this jar, I poured hot water over them. I didn't boil everything. Instead, I used this hot water infusion method because this method is very simple, gentle, and helps extract beneficial compounds from these herbs without exposing them to a prolonged high heat. Now I'm going to cover the jar tightly and I'll allow this to infuse for about 48 hours because I want the herbs to release as much of their goodness into this water as possible. The truth is that the longer you let it infuse, the deeper the color becomes and the more concentrated this treatment is going to be. But if you don't have the patience to wait for 48 hours, that's completely fine. You can infuse this for just 24 hours instead, and it will still give you a very perfect hair treatment, just that it won't be as concentrated as this one that I infused for 48 hours. In fact, if you have a very sensitive scalp, I'll advise you infuse for just 24 hours because the 24 hours infusion is a way little milder compared to the 48 hours. But if you really want a very strong concentrated treatment and you know your scalp can tolerate strong treatment, then you should go for 48 hours. Also, if you don't want to infuse this at all, maybe you want it very fast, you can go ahead and prepare this recipe by just gently boiling the ingredients for about 10 minutes. That is the fastest way to extract their nutrients. Just make sure you boil it on a very low to medium heat to avoid a very aggressive boiling, as boiling so aggressively for too long can reduce some of the delicate plant compounds that are actually going to do the work. So gently simmer for at least 10 minutes and you're still going to get an effective infusion. Just choose the best method from the 3 preparation methods I mentioned that best suits your schedule. After preparing, strain this carefully using a fine mesh strainer, a cheesecloth, or even a clean stockings if that's what you have available. Then I transfer this into my applicator bottle. One thing I really love about this recipe is how affordable it is, and most of these ingredients are easy to find. This particular treatment is a proof that you don't have to spend a fortune on expensive products. Sometimes simple treatments like this, which we often overlook, are what actually gives us the best long-term results compared to all these expensive products. Now that our treatment is ready, let's talk about how to use it. To use this, you're going to start by parting your hair into sections so you can easily reach your scalp properly. But because I'm on a protective style and my scalp is easily accessible, so there will be no need for me to part my hair. But if your hair is out, please do well to section your hair for easy application. This treatment is suitable for all hair types, whether your hair is natural hair, relaxed hair, transitioning hair, color treated hair, braided hair, wigs with natural leave out, and protective styles where your scalp is accessible. And if you're wearing cornrows, twists, or braids, simply spray this along the part so that the mixture reaches your scalp easily. And the good part is a leave-in treatment, so there will be no need for you to rinse it out at all. For best results, I recommend using this treatment at least 3 to 5 times in a week. Be consistent with it. Don't use this week then skip next week and expect to see results. Be consistent, because consistency is what is actually going to give you that result. And within 2 weeks, you're going to start seeing changes on your hair. Your hair is going to break less, shed less, and with time you're going to retain all the length that you are growing. And you may also notice tiny baby hairs appearing around your edges or areas where your hair has become thinner. Just try as much as possible to be consistent, and in few weeks or months you're going to thank yourself you did. Don't forget to always massage your scalp after each application, and always follow up with your leave-in conditioner or hair oil to seal in the moisture. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.